Hello and welcome to my card kit 1, so back to basic lesson 2. This is the card kit and I have 3 of these to give away. They might be a little bit different, but I will try, yeah, the papers will be the same. You might have the same little cutouts and bits and pieces, all that they might be the same, but this might be different. And this might be different, but I will try and yeah, put as much of it together as the same, if you know what I mean. But yeah, it might change a little bit. So, and in this there will be 3 cards, enough to make 3 cards. I might put 4 cards in because one of these cards is a colour card, and me being me, I wanted to show you lovely ladies out there, so I'll put 4 cards in, okay? And then I am going to put up a special video for you 3 ladies, so that if you don't know what to do with these, yeah, with all these goodies, you can follow on along to this video. And it will be private, so you have to put in a number. I don't know how to do that, not yet, but that's what I want to do for you. Okay, right. So I have got 18 people that have left comments, and there's the 18 people. Okay. So, and I am going to get my number generator up. So, as I say, I have got 3 kits to give away, and maximum number is 18. Right. Oh dear. So maximum number is 18. Everybody's got a, so it's 1 to 8. Don't take no notice of that number because that's just the beginning. So good luck ladies, and let's see who the first kit goes to. Number 13. And that's, Kazzy. Kazzy011. Oh, I'm so pleased you've got one of the kits. That's brilliant. I'm really, really pleased. Right, so that's 1. Good luck ladies for the next one. Number 10. Lynn. Lynn Noakes, Shabbylicious. Oh, well done, Lynn. Thank you. So that's 2 kits gone. 1 more. Let's generate 1 more. Good luck, ladies. Number 1. And that's Julie McNeil's Crafts. Oh, my goodness. So I have got Kazzy's address and Lynn's. So Julia McNeil Crafts, Julia, can you email me so I can send over, yeah, email me your address. And if you haven't got my email, I will pop it in the description box of this one below, so that you can email me, so that I can send one of these kits out to you. Thank you so much everybody for yeah, for putting all those comments, and very good luck and very congratulations, should I say, to the winners. Yeah, and these will be winging their way to you very, very soon. So thanks a lot now. Bye for now. God bless.